OK, so in this example, what they're asking us to do is to find the sum of the infinite series. So when we're looking into finding the sum of the infinite series, we want to make sure we can write it in this format. Right? If we're going to write it into this format, or we could start at 1 and n minus 1. But we want to make sure we can write it into that format, knowing where what our first term is going to be, and this. So this is going to be the rule, right? Now, in that case, once we can have it in that format, we know that the sum of an infinite series, s of n, equals a sub 1 all over 1 minus r, right? So if we wanted to find the sum, that is the formula that we do for an infinite geometric series, because obviously we know we're dealing with geometric series. Now, when we're dealing with the sum of an infinite series, there's something that's very, very important dealing with our ratio. So we know a sub 1, that's 1/9, right? Cool. We got 1/9 over 1 minus r. We don't know r, so now we need to take this series and determine what r is. So to determine r, remember, we just have that's like a sub 1, that's a sub 2, that's a sub 3, a sub 4. All we simply need to do is take the ratio of a sub 2 over a sub 1. Or you could do a sub 3 over a sub 4. And what I have is negative 1/3 divided by 1/9 multiplied by the reciprocals. That equals negative 3. And if I notice, is that the same for all of those? Yes, it is. So therefore, now that I have negative 3 is my r. Now, the issue that comes up with was when I presented this formula to you guys, one thing that we talked about is when the absolute value of r is greater than 1, there is no sum. So therefore, for this example, there is not a sum for the infinite series.